What's up, guys, and welcome back to Big Boss Bricks. And for today, it's my first time opening a retail box of hockey, and we have here in front is the 2022 Hockey Series 2 Upper Deck retail box. And for some time of thinking if I'm gonna buy it or not, and I've seen Series 2 has good young guns compared to the Series 1, and also this is cheaper than the Mega Box, buying two Mega Boxes. And Mega Box is only guaranteed like two young guns, and the retail box is maybe at least six. I'm not saying guaranteed, but at least six. This is better than Mega Boxes, like two Mega Boxes equals four, because Mega Boxes are around 56. Retail is 85, 86, or sometimes $79 Canadian here in Ontario, Canada. And we're hoping to get good young guns again. From my first video regarding Series 2, I pulled Moritz Seider. I didn't know that he's a big thing, and I just snub it off. So yeah, I've seen some videos of retail boxes, and they're actually quite good if you're gonna pull young guns. In Upper Deck, I don't think we can pull rookie signatures here. That's the job for SP Future Watch. So it has how many packs? So there's 24 packs. And let's see. I've been thinking a lot lately if I'm gonna buy one or not. Last time it was only 79. Then when I came back, it's now 85. But still better than buying two Mega Boxes. So let's make this faster, because mostly the only thing that's interesting here are the young guns or maybe a canvas. So most of it are base. Checklist here: Ovechkin and Kucherov. Oh, there we go. Oh, I thought that's the only thing. So our first young guns: Philip Tomasino. Just gonna sleeve this later, and the rest is not interesting. All right, that's our first pack, first young gun. Let's see how many young guns can we pull in a hobby box, or not hobby box, retail box. Definitely cheaper than hobby boxes. Hobby boxes are around 140, 135. Well, if you're just chasing after rookies or young guns, just buy retail boxes. Okay, marquee rookie. This is different. Jake Leschyshyn. I don't know how to pronounce his name. So that's how you do it in in a hockey flagship. Just look for young guns. It's not guaranteed every pack has a young gun. Mostly base. Ooh, there we go. Another one. Alex Newhook. You know what? Let's leave it up. What I love about this year, quality is really better than before. See, the edges now are sharper, or we should say, like, it should be like this. Retails before is like crappy quality. You can't find a sharp edge. Like, they're always like average. If you're gonna do it like a PSA, average maybe every pack is like 9. Now this time hockey can pull a 10 for a PSA. Although the bad thing about this now is, like, it's really hard on ripping this pack. Dang it. There we go. And marquee rookie. Oh, this is a different type of marquee rookie here. I'm not sure if this is parallel or something. Lundqvist. So I'm yet to get like the Lucas Raymond and Quinton Byfield. Right, another Young Guns, I guess. Oh, the Dawson Mercer, our third. See, it's better than like buying a mega box. So that's our third Young Guns. So if we pull the fourth one, then we're in an average of 2 mega boxes. And a canvas. Ooh, Anton Lundell. Not a canvas, sorry, but an honor roll. Anthony Lundell. Or Anton Lundell, sorry. And I'm not interested with the base packs or the base cards. But it's definitely, there might be one like all base pack. Canvas, Carter Verhaeghe. You should be there. Another canvas. Rookies. Ooh, nice. Portrait of Lucas Raymond. We didn't pull the Young Guns, but I pulled the Lucas Raymond canvas portraits, or UD portraits, not the canvas. Oh, love the edges right now. But I see print lines. Damn, there's a lot of print lines here. Definitely, this is not 9 or even 10. That's sad. Could be a big deal, but there's lots of print lines over that card. Let's stick Dazzlers, Nicola Ehlers. Like the UD portraits, they just added the rookies. I mean the word of rookie. So yeah, it's hard to rip like the packs right now. Hauser, marquee rookie, Carey Price. Wonder what's going on with Carey Price right now. Okay, I think. Oh, okay. David Farrens. So we hit the average of the mega box. We now have 4 Young Guns. See, we got red Dazzlers. It could be an interesting Dazzler. Victor Olofsson. So we got red and blue. Quinn Hughes. I think we are on the half mark now. Canvas Carter Hart. Was there a time like every pack has, or there was a time like, this is a question, so was there a time that you pulled, or there was a pull like 2 Young Guns in a pack? Or is it even possible? Or did it happen? You can comment down below, guys. Oh, Andre Fleury. Marc-Andre Fleury. Now we got the blue. Dawson Mercer blue marquee rookie. Alright. Oh man. Definitely hard to open this pack. So far it's been fun. And on a roll. Dawson Mercer again. Checklist. Draisaitl and McKinnon. Come on, give me a big Young Guns here. Canvas. Young Guns canvas. Oh, could have been Byfield, Vladimir Chakev, Young Guns canvas. Is it a guarantee 1 rookie canvas Young Guns in a retail box? If that's the case, then it's better buying the retail box. I think the canvas Young Guns has more value than the ordinary Young Gun. Jonathan Dahlen, rookie portrait. Lots of rookies here. Just so you can see, the retail box is better in terms of value. Though in the hobby, you can get the clear cut or high gloss. Clear rookies, Justin Richards. Definitely, I'm happy now. We're in the 6th. I hope this is not the last Young Guns. We still have lots to open. And it's really hard to rip this out. Is that Connor McDavid at the back portion? Nope. Marquee rookie again. Matthew Phillips. We're almost done, guys. Maybe 4 packs left. Jesse Ilonen or Linen. I'm not sure how to pronounce these guys. That's the thing with hockey. A lot of last names are hard to pronounce, maybe because most of them are from European players or even Russian players. We got the red Dazzler, Austin Matthews, not bad. Okay, down to 2 packs, not 3. Shoot, I thought that was a seal pack. Canvas again. Panarin and Adam Fox. Checklist canvas. Huh. I didn't know that there's a checklist canvas. And last pack. Here we go. Definitely a fun rip. I had fun. Philip Deneau. Center Kings. I'm not sure what's the name of this insert. And OV is here. Alright, so let's see. How many Young Guns did we pull? So 1, 2, 3. I would consider this a Young Gun. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Including the canvas one. So Ilonen, Richards, Kachev, Barons, Mercer, Tomasino, Newhook, Portraits of Darlene, and Lucas Raymond portraits. Nice. Alright, definitely a fun pack. And we also have the honor roll here. So there's tons of honor rolls and marquee rookie here. There we go. And another marquee rookie. Alright, so I definitely recommend the retail box compared to 2 mega boxes. Or even the blaster box only has 1. Alright, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.